Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, March 31st, and here are our objectives for today. Today we're going to review words with a short U and long U sound. We're going to review CVC words, and we are going to practice our sight words this round and May. And you are going to be choosing a person to interview for your looking back project. So let's go ahead and get started. And for the short and long U, you're going to go ahead and go into your workbook. Look at page 203. 203. Let's get a closer look. So here, we know that the letter U makes a short and a long U sound. In this book, we're going to look at the pictures. We're going to read a sentence. There's two words that you're going to pick from to complete the sentence correctly, to make sure the sentence is complete. So let's read the first sentence. It says, Jan is blank in her blue dress. The two choices say cut or cute. UE pattern makes this word say cute. Now here they underlined it for us. This is the first example. They give you the answer. It's cute is the right word. Let's look at the next two sentences. I can play the first choice is flute. Look at the picture for clues. Or fawn. Pick the word that best fits the sentence to match the picture. The last sentence is the dog is in the, is the answer tub or tube? Tube. In this word, the U is a long U. Look at the picture for clues. Pause the video and complete the worksheet. Now, boys and girls, you are going to work on an activity on page 204 of your workbook, and it's called Spell Words. You're going to sort and spell some words. Now remember, CVC words begin and end with a consonant and have a vowel in the middle. That's why they are called CVC. First it's a consonant, then the vowel, and then another consonant. Those words have three letters. CVC vowel spells a short sound. In this page, it's going to have the short sound for the letter U. And it's spelled with other two letters. So some of the words don't follow this pattern. So we have to remember how to spell these words. Remember I said they don't follow the rules? So those words, you just have to remember them and learn them and memorize them. Those are called sight words. Okay, these are called sight words. So look at the words at the top of the page and determine which words follow the CVC pattern, which of the words have a consonant, vowel, consonant, and you're going to write those words on this left column. Once you find which ones are CVC words, you write them on the left, and the words that are sight words that don't follow the consonant, vowel, consonant pattern, you write them on the right. Those are sight words, okay? I'll do the first one with you. Look at the first word, sun. The S is a consonant, the middle is a vowel, and the N is a consonant. This word follows a CVC pattern. C for consonant, V for vowel, and C for consonant in the letter. So this word, sun, you will write it on this line. Pause the video, look through each word, and determine if it is a CVC word and you write it on the left. But if it doesn't follow CVC, then it's a sight word. You're going to read it and write it on the right. Pause your video and work on your workbook. Complete the activity. Okay, boys and girls, here are our sight words for this week. We're going to go over spelling the sight words. The first sight word is this. Now, let's practice clapping as we spell each sight word. So let's look at the letters, clap for each sound. T, H, I, S, this. Next word is round. R, O, U, N, D, round. The last word is may. M, A, Y, may. Very good. Now, if you wish, you can also pause the video and do our basketball spelling, our dribbling the basketball while we spell out the side words. You're welcome to do that as well. We're going to practice more with the side words, but for now, we got to remember how we spell and how we write and say these words. Okay. The next thing we're going to do, boys and girls, is the second step in our project, looking back, was to pick or choose which family member you're going to interview. Remember, look at page 215 in your workbook. This is what it's called, conduct an interview. And in an interview, you're going to ask someone questions to learn about their past. So you're going to choose a family member about what life was like when he or she was a child. The family member can be your dad, your mom, grandpa, grandma, an aunt, or an uncle. Think about who you're going to interview, and you're going to write that here on this line. So if you're going to interview mom, you're going to write mom. If you're going to interview dad, you're going to write dad, grandpa, or uncle. So I'm going to give you time to think about it. You can pause the video and write who you're going to interview. Now, another thing we need to think about is what are the questions you're going to ask the person you interview? You're going to ask them something like, what did you play when you were little, when you were a child? Or what did you do for fun? Because that's what you want to learn about how people used to live and play back then and how it's different from how you play and have fun today. So keep that in mind when you're talking to your relative and let them know that that's why you're interviewing them. You want to know how things have changed from back then to how things are now. So make it fun. You can grab a pencil, pretend your pencil is your microphone, hold it up to them and say, "Hi, I am here to learn about your past. Can you please answer questions for me?" Have a good time. Make it a fun project, boys and girls. Remember, it's your family, so there's no reason to be shy, and play around with it. You can pretend you have a microphone, and then you're going to go ahead and do the next step of the project next week. So for right now, tomorrow. So for now, find the person you're going to interview. Think of the questions you're going to ask them. And all I want you to do today is write who you're going to interview on this line right here. So good luck, and I hope you have a fun time interviewing your family member. Tomorrow's lesson is where you're going to get to take notes and draw pictures of what they told you and they're answered in their interview. Have fun, and we'll see you tomorrow with the next lesson.